So I recently picked up these cable extenders, and today we're going to be testing them out with an all-white gaming PC build. These work out perfect if you guys have a power supply that's not fully modular and you guys can't change out the cables to these nice white fabric cables. We're going to get the 24 pin, and then we have the 3 different 8 pins right here. Overall, they look pretty clean. Let's go ahead and throw these in the PC that we're building and see how they turn out. All right, guys, so the PC is all done, and I just wanted to give you guys a closer look at these cable extenders. When I first installed them, I didn't realize that we actually got wire clips in the bag, or wire combs. So that was a really nice touch, but I actually ended up buying some because I never saw that bag, and eventually found these anyways. So don't do what I did. Just make sure that you guys get these out of the bag and don't lose them, because they do come in really handy. I had plenty of those connectors and wire combs to set this all up. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It looks way cleaner. And if you guys are buying a cheap power supply, this is the perfect solution to keep all the cables matching the theme. So anyways, that's it for my really quick unboxing and review of these wires.